Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to use OpenAI to draft email responses. So here what I want is that as I'm going to receive new email from my customers, then automatically I want to draft email responses by using OpenAI. So here my objective is that as I'm going to forward all the emails from my Gmail account to Pabbly Connect by using email parser, and as I'm going to receive all the detail of my email, then automatically by using these details, I'm going to generate the content for my email response by using OpenAI. So after generating all these content and the email responses, I'm automatically going to draft my email in my Gmail account. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between email parser, OpenAI and Gmail. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. So with Pabbly Connect, we are going to build this automation, and how we are going to build this connection and this automation, for that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can use OpenAI to draft email responses. So suppose if we are receiving mails from our customer and we need to reply to all of those mails, and now here to save some time and energy, I will use OpenAI and automation, and automatically I will draft email responses for all my customer emails. So here simply I'm going to build a connection between Gmail and OpenAI, and now whenever I will receive an email from my customer, then automatically I will generate response of that email by using OpenAI, and I will create a draft email in my Gmail account. And now I can send this drafted email anytime to my customer that I want. So like this, I can create personal email responses for all my customer, and that too without any manual effort, and all this is going to happen automatically so that I will save a lot of time and energy. So here for building this connection between Gmail and OpenAI, I need to use Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we just need to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow. For that, I need to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here, I need to name my workflow, and I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to use OpenAI to draft email responses. And now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the folders that I have created in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of Gmail. And now I need to click on create, and this will take us to this window, and this is the window of our workflow. So here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here in my trigger, what I need to do is I need to use email parser. So I'm going to select email parser here, and I'm going to use email parser by Pabbly to connect my Gmail account, so that I can forward all the customer emails that I'm going to receive in my Gmail account to Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to connect email parser with my Gmail account. So for that, what I need to do is I need to use this forwarding email. So what I need to do is I need to first copy this email, and now I need to take you to my Gmail account. So here this is my Gmail account. Now what I need to do is I need to go to settings, and I'm going to click here on this see all settings button. And now I need to go to forwarding and POP/IMAP settings. Now here what I need to do is I need to add my forwarding address. So I'm going to click here on this add a forwarding address button. And now I'm going to paste that forwarding email that I've copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here, and I'm going to click on next. Now here I need to click on proceed. And now here a confirmation link has been sent to my forwarding email, and I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and I need to verify my permission. So I'm going to click on OK. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see I have received this response. So in this response I'm going to scroll down to last, and here I have this body text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this, and here in this body text we can see I have received this link. So what I need to do is I need to copy this link, and I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to paste that link. Now here this is my confirmation link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on confirm, and here I have successfully verified my permission. Now I'm going to go back to Gmail. I'm going to refresh this, and here I have added my forwarding email. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this option of forward a copy of incoming mail to this forwarding email. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to scroll down, and I need to click on save changes. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on recapture email parser response. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on yes. And now as I'm going to receive a new email in my Gmail account, then automatically I'm going to receive that response here in Pabbly Connect. So here we can see I have received this response. So this means that I have received a new email on my Gmail account. So I'm going to take you to Gmail, and here I have received this email. So I'm going to open this email. So this email was sent to me by my customer. So the subject of my email is to know about Pabbly Connect, and here this is my email body, that is, hello, I am very interested in your product Pabbly Connect, and I want to know more about that and all the pricing and how I can buy it. Can you help me with that? And thank you, regards. So this was my email body, and this was the email that was sent to me by my customer. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I have received all these details of my email. So as I have received this response here, and in this response we can see I have the name of my customer, that is Anshul Sahu. I have the email subject, that is to know about Pabbly Connect. And also in this I have my body text. So here in this body text I have the email body that has been sent to me by my customer. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details like the email subject, customer name, and the body text. And by using all these details, I'm going to generate a response to this particular email by using OpenAI. So for generating my email response, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be OpenAI. So I'm going to select OpenAI here, and now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and ChatGPT will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to connect OpenAI with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now for connecting OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So how I can get this token? For that, what I need to do is I need to open this hyperlink, and it will take me to my account of OpenAI API keys page. So I'm going to click here, and here this is my keys page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new secret key here, and that will be my token. So I'm going to click here on this create new secret key. I'm going to give a name to that key. So my name will be draft email. And now I need to click on create secret key. So here I have created the secret key. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here in this token tab. So I have added my token key. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save, and I have successfully connected OpenAI with Pabbly Connect. Now here for generating my email response, what I need to do is I need to first select my AI model. And for selecting the AI model, I need to open this tab, and here these are all the AI models that I can use. So I'm going to use this AI model of GPT-4. And now what I need to do is I need to give a prompt. So here I'm going to give the prompt for generating email responses of the email that has been sent to me by my customers. And I'm going to add all the details for a personal and a specific email. So I'm going to add all these details in my prompt. So this is going to be my prompt that I want to use to generate my email response. So here I have given this prompt that says, suppose you are me and now you're receiving mails from customers. So we need to write personal email responses for customer emails, and also write email subject and reply to these emails as Team Pabbly, and don't use any other personal details, and here are the email details. So with this prompt, I'm going to add my customer name, email subject, and the email body. So here I'm going to receive all these details from my response of email parser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that response of email parser, and I'm going to map all these details of my customer, like the customer name, email subject, and the email body, and I'm going to map that here. So for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So I need to first map my customer name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for my customer name in this response. So I'm going to search for display, and here this is the name of my customer. So I'm going to map this. Now similarly, I have to map the subject of my email. So I'm going to click here. I will give a space, and I'm going to search for subject. So here this is my email subject. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to give the email body. So I need to click here. I will give a space. I'm going to clear this subject, and I'm going to search for body text. And here we can see this is the email body. So I'm going to map this. Now I have mapped all the required details here. Now as I have mapped these details in my prompt, so what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new email, and that email will get forwarded automatically to Pabbly Connect by using email parser, and I'm going to receive a new email response. So as I'm going to receive the new response, then automatically the details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. So every time I'm going to receive a new email response, then automatically I'm going to generate new response for that email. Now I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received the response. So here in this response, I can see I have generated this content, and this is the content for my email. So here my subject is all about Pabbly Connect, your one stop for all your queries. So this is my email subject, and here this is going to be my email body. Now here we can see that I'm receiving this email subject and email body in just one tab. So here what I need to do is I need to separate my subject and the email body, and I need to separate this so that I can use that in my further step while drafting an email. So here in this content, what I need to do is I need to separate subject and the email body, and I'm going to do that with the help of Text Formatter by Pabbly, and that is a tool that Pabbly Connect offers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on this Add Action Step button, and here I'm going to use Text Formatter by Pabbly. So I'm going to select that, and now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and here split text will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to click on connect, and here I have all these tabs. So first I need to give a text to split. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of OpenAI, and here I'm going to map my message content. So I'm going to select this. So this is my content for my response of the email. And now what I need to do is I need to first separate this subject line from my content, and after this I need to separate my email subject and the email body. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this subject line. So here for separating this subject that is written here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a separator. So here my separator will be subject with colon. So this is going to be my separator, and as I'm going to find this separator in my text, then automatically I'm going to use that separator and I'm going to split my text. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to give my segment index, and here I'm going to open this tab, and here my segment index will be second. So I want to separate everything after this subject. That's why I have selected my segment index as second. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and here I have received this result. So in this result, now I have my subject and the email body. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate my subject and my email body. Now again, what I need to do is I need to use Text Formatter. So I'm going to select Text Formatter here. And now I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and split text will be my action event again. And now I'm going to click on connect. Now here as my text to split, I'm going to use the response of my previous tab of Text Formatter. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Text Formatter, and here this is my result. So I'm going to map this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this hello as my separator, and before this hello I have my email subject. So I'm going to use this hello as my separator, and I'm going to separate the line of my subject. So for that I need to give my separator, and here my separator will be hello. And now I need to give my segment index, and here my segment index will be first. So I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and here we can see I have received this result. So in this result I have my email subject, and now I have received my email subject, Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this email subject and I'm going to use this as my separator, and by using this separator I'm going to get my email body. So again I'm going to use all these steps. So I'm going to click here on this add action step button. I'm going to search for text formatter. I'm going to select that. I need to give an action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and split text will be my action event. I'm going to click on connect, and now I'm going to give my text to split. So I'm going to open this response, and I'm going to again open this first response of text formatter. I'm going to map my result, and here in separator I'm going to map the email subject. So I'm going to open this response of text formatter, and here I'm going to receive my email subject. So I'm going to map this, and now I need to select my segment index. So I'm going to click here, and second will be my segment index. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see in the result I have received my email body. So this is my email body. Now here we can see I have received all the detail like my email subject, my customer name, customer email, and the email body that I want to use as my response for my customer email. So I'm going to use all these detail, and I'm going to use these detail to draft an email in my Gmail account. So for that I need to add my last action step. So I'm going to click here, and here my action application is going to be Gmail. So I'm going to select Gmail here. Now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create draft will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to connect Gmail with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Gmail. I need to click on continue to give access to my account, and my connection here is successful. Now what I need to do is I need to first map my email subject. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of text formatter by Pabbly, and here this is my email subject. So I'm going to map this. Now what I need to do is I need to give my recipient email addresses. So here I'm going to give the email address of my customer and the email address from which I have received my email. So I'm going to click here, and here I'm going to search for my from email. So here this is my from email address. So I'm going to map this. So here this is going to be my recipient email, and this is going to be my customer email. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down, and I have to give my sender name. I'm going to use my company name, that will be Pabbly, and you can give any sender name that you want. Now what I need to do is I need to give my email content, and here in the email content I'm going to map the email body that I have generated by using OpenAI. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this last response of text formatter, and in this I have this result. So this is my email body. So I'm going to map this. So here I have mapped my email content, email subject, and the recipient email address. So here this is going to be my email that I want to draft as a reply to my customer email. So for creating this draft, what I need to do is I need to scroll down, and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response. So this means that I have drafted a new email in my Gmail account. So to check this, let me take you to Gmail, and here I will go to drafts, and here in draft we can see I have drafted a new email. So I'm going to open this, and here this is my drafted email. So this is the email of my customer. Also in this I have this subject. So my subject is all about Pabbly Connect, your one stop for all your queries. And this is a personalized email that I've created by using OpenAI. And I have drafted this email automatically in my Gmail account with my content that I've generated by using OpenAI for my email. So as I have received a new email from my customer in my Gmail account, then automatically by using that received email, I have generated a content and a response for that particular email by using OpenAI. And after generating that content, I have automatically drafted a new email in my Gmail account. So here my connection between Gmail and OpenAI is working successfully. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new email in my Gmail account, then automatically by using all those details, I'm going to generate a response by using OpenAI, and I'm going to draft a new email in my Gmail account. So like this, I can save a lot of time and energy, and I can create personalized email responses for my customer by using OpenAI. So I have successfully created this automation and this connection between Gmail and OpenAI. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this automation for using OpenAI to draft email responses. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was email parser, and my trigger event was capture email parser. Then I have set up my actions tab, and here I have used OpenAI as my action application, and I have used OpenAI for generating email responses. Then I have used text formatter for separating my email body and the email subject. And in the last, I have used Gmail for creating new email draft. So like this, I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.